How to remove your Google account from other device. So guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video today we're going to learn how we can remove your Google or Gmail account from other device. So I will show in this on my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone you can follow the same step. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, let's start with the video. So guys, I'm on my Android phone. So first guys, you have to go on your Gmail app. You can do this with your setting also, but I'm going to my Gmail app. So just open your Gmail app. Then you have to log in with this email ID which you want to remove from other device. So I already log in it. I have to click on this profile icon. Now you can see the manage your Google option here. You have to click on it. So it will be bring you the Google account. Okay, this is Google account, and here you can find all the information of your Google account, like personal information, anything. Okay, so you can switch account if you have many accounts login in your device. You can switch from here. Just click on this small icon and you can switch from account from. Yes, okay. So now go to the security, click on security here, and just scroll down, and here you can see your device. So this is my device where I have login with my account. So you can click manage device. Here you will see the all device where you have login in. So you can see I have login this in 20th December, Android, Microsoft, okay, India, Linux. So I want to remove it, so I can remove. I have to click on this three dot and I can sign out from here. Okay, you can sign out from here. Okay, that is how you can sign out or remove your account from other device. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.